A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to your Hindi online class. So today we are going to learn two new व्यंजन्स in Hindi, that is व्यंजन sh or sha. So let's have a look on some examples. So first example is sha se shalgam. Sha se shalgam. The next example is sha se sharifa. Sha se sharifa. Now look at this image carefully. What is this? This is Shehnai. Sha se Shehnai. After Sha, what will come? Sha. Sha se Shatkon. Look. Sha se Shatkon. Sha se Shatkon. Okay, now all of you take out your Hindi copies, My Skill Book Hindi 2, and open page number 9191. So today we will learn how to write व्यंजन sh. Sh se shalgam. Sh se shalgam. So first, to make shalgam, first you have to make one circle. Look, like this. First you have to make one circle. Then you have to make one curve like this. After that, look, first you have to make one circle. Then you have to make one curve like this. And after this curve, what you all have to do? You have to make one slanting line. Look, first you have to make one circle, a small circle like this. Then you have to make one curve. After that, you have to make one slanting line like this. And after that, you have to make one standing line starting from the first gray line till third gray line. Like this, you have to make व्यंजन sh. Sh se shalgam. Look again, one more time. First you have to make one circle like this. After that, you have to make one curve, then one slanting line, and then one standing line. After that, you have to make one sleeping line. Like this, you have to make व्यंजन sh. Sh se shalgam. First you have to make circle, then curve. Okay, so after slanting line, you have to make one standing line, and then you have to make one small sleeping line. Now you have to complete this tracing part by yourself. Now look very carefully how to write व्यंजन sha in these three lines. So first you have to make circle like this, curve. After that, one slanting line, one standing line, and one sleeping line. Like this, you have to make व्यंजन sha. Look again. First you have to make one circle, curve, slanting line, standing line, and one sleeping line. Look again. First you have to make one circle, curve, slanting line, standing line, sleeping line. Look again. First you have to make circle, curve, slanting line, standing line, sleeping line. Look again. First you have to make one circle, curve, slanting line, standing line, and then sleeping line. Like this, you have to make व्यंजन sh. Sh se shalgam. Now it's your homework that you have to complete this page by yourself. Now all of you open page number 9393. Now we will learn how to form sh षटकोण. अब हम देखेंगे षटकोण वाला sh हम कैसे बनाते हैं. So for that, you have to make first one curve like this. You just have to make one curve like this. After that, you have to join this curve with one standing line. Okay, so first you have to make one curve like this. After that, you have to join this curve with one standing line starting from the first gray line till third gray line. After that, you have to make one slanting line in it like this. So first you have to make one curve. After that, you have to make one standing line. Then you have to make one slanting line, and then one sleeping line. Like this, you have to make sh. Shatkon. Sha shatkon. Now look. First you have to make one curve, then one standing line, one slanting line, and then one sleeping line. Like this you have to make. Again, look again. First one curve, standing line, slanting line, sleeping line. Curve, standing line, slanting line, sleeping line. Like this you have to make षट्कोण. षट्कोण. Look again. Curve, standing line, slanting line, sleeping line. Again, first you have to make one curve, then one standing line, one slanting line in it, and then one sleeping line. Now you have to complete page number 9191 and 9393 by yourself. That's all for today. Today we have learned examples as well as how to write these two-way engines. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.